Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the simple Hong Kong style brown sugar mochi cake. This brown sugar cake is a traditional delicacy for the Chinese New Year. Complete recipe is in description underneath the video. Please subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. All ingredients are available in Asian grocery stores. Here is the glutinous flour, wheat starch. There are two kinds of block sugars, light brown and dark brown, and I prefer to use the dark brown ones. Here is the cornstarch and coconut milk and rice flour. So mix all kinds of flours together first. Place block sugar and water in a small pot and bring it to the stove to melt. I also prefer to add ginger juice to the brown sugar cake to enhance the flavor. So grate the ginger first. Place the gingers into a small tea bag, then squeeze out the juice. This is an optional ingredient, so you may skip if you don't like the taste of ginger. Pour the melted sugar water into a blender, then add coconut milk. Blend well. Let the sugar water mixture cool down a bit, then add the flour mixture. Blend well. Add ginger juice and oil. Then blend well. Pour the mixture through a sieve to drain away any crumbs. Brush 2 loaf pans with oil. Pour the cake batter into the loaf pans. Cover the top of pans tightly with aluminum foil. Otherwise, the top of the cakes won't be smooth after steaming. Make sure the bottom of the low pans keep in touch with water while steaming, otherwise the edge of the cake will become dry. Steam at medium-high heat for 50 to 60 minutes. Let the cake cool down or keep it refrigerated in the fridge before cutting. Otherwise, the cake will stick to the knife. Heat up some oil in the pan, crack and beat an egg. Dip each slice of cake in egg, then pan fry at medium-low heat until golden. The yummy brown sugar mochi cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy! This cake makes a nice edible gift for your friends and family during the Chinese New Year. Kept in fridge for up to 2 weeks.